what's up? It's your girl Danielle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you which collagen is best for baking, for making smoothie, or guess what? If you want to drop it in your coffee or tea, or even make jello or gummies. Stay watching, I will be right back.
I've been pushing work all summer.
If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos just like this one. There are so many collagen on the market. It is huge. Everybody wants to get on the bandwagon. We all want to, get rid of these fine lines and wrinkles. We all want to grow some hair. We want to have great skin, great teeth, great bone. But which collagen is best for what? Now, the first thing I'm gonna talk about is collagen water. What is the purpose of collagen water? Truthfully, collagen water is the exact same thing. Collagen peptide, collagen water is the same thing. This brand in front of me has 10 grams of collagen. The only difference is you're paying for the convenience. You get your 10 grams of collagen and it's just a ready instant thing going on. You're paying more money for something like this because this sells for about $16 to $17. It's 4 in a pack. So you're paying for the convenience. And there's nothing really different as far as what you're getting other than the convenience. Now, let's talk about gelatin. Gelatin this is unflavored I have, and the brand is Great Lakes. This is collagen joint care. So this gelatin is unflavored in the brand. Like I said, it's Great Lakes. And this is perfect if you want to make your own gummies, homemade gummies, and use with collagen, or maybe if you want to make just jello itself, perfect. This can also be used for thickening your soups and other things that you want to make and you want to thicken them, like soups and stews. Something we hear more about will be the powdered collagen. You may hear collagen peptides or just collagen. They're exactly the same thing. The only difference is it is in a powdered form. This is perfect for mixing in your, your morning coffee or tea, or if you want to mix into food, if you're cooking and baking, and if you want to just have your smoothie, or look, if you're just pressed for time and you want to mix it with just plain old water, this is perfect for that. The tablet form of collagen as well. I'm not a big fan of the tablet form, so I don't have any in front of me, simply because it requires a few more, it requires you to take several tablets a day. And sometimes I tend to forget that. I'm okay with just getting my one dose as far as in a drink, by using my unflavored powdered in a drink or a smoothie or food. I prefer this method. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend or two. And remember, guys, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, mwah, ciao.